Okay, all you mamas and daddies out there, I'm here to do a review about Luvs. This is a very popular brand of diapers, I'm sure you know. Between Pampers and Huggies and all those other ones, these are the ones I've only gone with. I think I switched maybe for a month once, and I came back to this one. Not only are these just really cute looking with a little design on front, these ones have the monkeys, of course. They just fit really well. You can get coupons anywhere to get off of these, like through Ibotta. Right now they have 2 separate coupons, one for boxes like this for $3 off, and one for 50 cents off those little packages for like the newborns or travel size. So it's really great because this brand constantly is putting out coupons. So a little bit about these, of course. They are a leading brand of diapers. They come in so many sizes, newborn to I think a size 7, which I couldn't tell you how much that kid must weigh, but I'm thinking it's somewhere in the 30-pound range. But either way, you can figure out exactly which size you need based off of this number down here. Right next to the number, it actually gives you the weight of the baby. So there's a spectrum that this will fit. Of course, keep in mind, if your baby has extra chubby thighs, like mine did, you might have to move up a size, but they're still going to work for the size of your baby. They just might be a little snug. The elastic band around the leg is really nice, but there is still a cap. You want your baby to be comfortable. The Leakguard is wonderful because my son, he doesn't pee at night. He holds it all night, and then first thing in the morning, he lets his bladder go. So this makes sure that he doesn't leak at all. But while we're potty training, sorry about that. God. So while we're potty training though, it's really easy to keep tabs on, has he gone or not. Sometimes it's difficult to tell, but with the little picture, as you can see, this one again has a monkey. But with the picture, this actually changes a little bit. So it's nice that there's an indication, yes, I did wet my pants. And you know that it's time to change them. Of course, that's just, you should always change your kids anyways, but that just helps you a little bit more if you're out and about. If you just need to real quick pull down his pants to check, instead of having to pull off his pants entirely, you can just look at the picture. My son has also really good at filling these. He has very effective bladder storage, but he has never actually leaked through these. So he has worn these, he has filled them to capacity as soon as he wakes up in the morning, and they held it just fine. None of that gel stuff came leaking out, nothing started to deteriorate or fall away. So it was really nice to have that safety in there. Of course, they also advertise that you can save money on these, and I can vouch for this, not just from the coupon standpoint, but the price difference between this and Pampers and Huggies is enormous. I think last time I went to the store and looked at diapers, Huggies were $24, and these went from 19 something and dropped down to 17. So there's a good couple bucks difference, and with how much you go through these, a little bit, just even a few bucks means a big difference. My son is in size 4s, these are for his sister, and I go through 2 boxes for him every month. So if I'm spending, 40 bucks or so a month on diapers, it's nice that I'm not having to spend 60 bucks. So every little bit does count. Of course, you can also go to their website and get more coupons. You can have them even emailed to you. Some of the other features that they say is that it has a wide fastening area. So right here with the diaper, this little Velcro patch is actually really, really wide. It can fit over that entire 2 section down there. Meeting halfway, it's great because these don't come off. My son is learning to potty train right now, and we haven't moved him to pull-ups quite yet, but he can't even pull these things off, and he is very good at that. So it's nice that this is so secure, you don't have to worry about them falling off while they're playing or anything like that. the Leak Barrier leg gatherers. As I said, my son has soaked these, and this is snug around his legs enough that he's not going to leak out down the side of his leg. That gel isn't going to come out and start going everywhere. So it's a nice bonus that there's not more mess to clean up. This is also super easy on baby skin. All the other brands that I've tried have made my son break out in different rashes, irritations, and even chemical burns. I've never had that problem with these, so these are very gentle, which is also wonderful. This brand gives you a money-back guarantee, so if you do have any leakage, any messed up diapers, or if there are, chemical burns and you have to return them because you just can't keep using them on your kid, they'll give you your money back. Just about no questions asked. So their customer service is really great also, which I haven't had to use myself, but I've had friends, before that have had extremely sensitive skins and they had to switch to cloth diapers. I've never had that problem with Luvs though, but they were still in love with the brand because it was so easy and pain-free to get that process done. So these are really great diapers. I'd suggest them to any new mom because you want your baby to be comfortable and you want your baby to be safe and cared for, and of course you have enough messes to deal with when it comes to having a baby. Let's just, take one of those messes away. You're still gonna have to change the diaper, but at least the diaper won't have to, be scraped off the couch or something like that, or their pants. It'll stay intact together. Not only that, but they come in nice packages. A lot of them have bonus diapers in the boxes, so that's even better because you get more bang for your buck, which is always a big thing for me and as any mother.